Addiction isn't just about substances. It's the things you do on autopilot, the habits you can't break, even when you know they are ruining your life. It's not just social media, binge watching, or bad relationships. It's the way your brain gets hijacked into craving short-term relief at the cost of long-term freedom. Here's how to quit any addiction for good. Step 1. Stop lying to yourself. The biggest reason you stay addicted, you tell yourself it's not that bad. I can stop whenever I want. I just do it to relax. At least I'm not as bad as them. This is denial disguised as logic. Be brutally honest. Track how much time, energy, and money your addiction is stealing from you. When you face the reality, you can't lie to yourself anymore. And that's the first step to take back control of your life. Step 2. Replace the hit. Don't remove it. Most people fail because they try to quit instead of replace. Your brain craves dopamine. If you remove your addiction without a replacement, you'll relapse. Every time. What to do instead? Find a habit that gives you a similar sense of satisfaction without the damage. If you're addicted to social media, replace the dopamine hit with something active, like going for a walk or doing push-ups. If it's junk food, swap it for something high protein and flavorful. Quitting leaves a void. Replacing fills it. Give your brain what it craves, but on your terms. Step 3. Make it harder to access.
Laptop!
Willpower is a losing game. If your addiction is easy to access, you'll keep falling back into it. You gotta increase friction. Delete the app. Block the website. If it's food, don't buy it. Force yourself to make a conscious effort to indulge, and you'll do way less. Because when something isn't instantly available, your brain pauses and gives you a chance to make a conscious choice instead of acting on impulse. Step 4. Break the cue craving reward cycle. Every addiction follows a pattern. A cue triggers the craving. Boredom, stress, loneliness. You chase the reward. Scrolling, eating, drinking, whatever. The cycle repeats. To stop this, whenever you feel the urge, pause. Name the feeling. Replace the automatic reaction with something that actually serves you. Step 5. Become the person who doesn't need it. This is the real secret. You don't just quit. You become the kind of person who doesn't even identify with the addiction anymore. Stop focusing on breaking the habit and start building a new identity. Tell yourself, I'm not someone who needs this. I don't do that anymore. This isn't who I am. Your brain believes what you tell it. Shift your identity and your actions will follow. Addiction isn't just about what you do. It's about who you are letting yourself become. You break free when you decide that your future is worth more than a temporary high. Because the truth is, if you don't control your habits will control you. Freedom starts the moment you choose yourself over the impulse. Choose yourself today, tomorrow, every day, and you will defeat any addiction.